What's up, everyone? Today we are breaking down Axiom.trade. It's 2026, and the trading landscape has completely changed. If you're still fumbling with slow Telegram bots or basic DEX interfaces, you're getting left behind by the smart money. I've been using the Axiom terminal for my daily trades, and today I'm going to show you why it's the most powerful tool in my arsenal, and how you can get a massive fee discount to go along with it.
So, what actually is Axiom? Think of it as a professional-grade terminal, like a Bloomberg for Solana degens. It's browser-based, but don't let that fool you. It's lightning fast. Unlike some of the older tools we used to use, Axiom is fully non-custodial. You connect your own wallet, meaning you aren't handing your private keys over to a third-party bot. It's built on co-located RPC nodes, giving you sub-400 millisecond execution.
Axiom really separates itself with the 2026 feature set. The Pulse feature is my favorite. It lets you see exactly when tokens migrate, so you can be first in line. They've also integrated Hyperliquid, so you can trade perps with 50x leverage without ever leaving the dashboard. Plus, you get advanced automation like sniper mode and trailing stop losses that actually work, even when the network is congested.
Now, if you're ready to sign up, listen closely. You'll see a lot of random codes floating around on forums, but most only give you a 10 or 15% discount. My code, Trade Now, is a verified partner code for 2026 that gives you the maximum 20% off your trading fees. Over a year of trading, that 20% savings is literally free capital back in your wallet. Plus, using a partner code like this flags your account for extra loyalty points and potential future airdrops. It's the best deal on the internet, period. Let's look at the competition. Compared to Telegram bots, Axiom is safer because you keep control of your wallet. Compared to using a basic DEX like Radium or Jupiter directly, Axiom is just way faster and gives you tools like the Tweet Monitor and Whale Tracker built right in. The only downside is it has a lot of features, so it might take you an hour or two to master, but once you do, you'll never go back.
Ready to level up your trading? Click the link in the description below to go to the official Axiom site. When you register, make sure you enter that code, Trade Now, to lock in your 20% discount for life. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2026 trading alpha. I'll see you guys on the leaderboard. Happy trading!